Hey guys, DC Traveler for the first time on this channel is going outside of South India. It's funny that people think I'm from South India because on this channel I've only shown South India. But I'm not from South India. I'm in Bangalore since last year for work. Now today we are beginning a new trip and we're going to Odisha. I never thought I would be going to Odisha. Nothing against Odisha, but it was not on my radar. In fact, I wanted to go to a couple of places in India, but those places are not yet open for travel. So in the meanwhile, Odisha is happening. So let me tell you how Odisha is happening. I made a new friend. His name is Karthik. He found me through my YouTube channel, this YouTube channel. He was watching my videos and then we connected on Instagram. And here we are. Now he is my host in Odisha. It's amazing. I currently have 426 subscribers only, and I'm already getting several calls from people who are inviting me over to their place. So Karthik is from Odisha, and I have one more person right now, Tahan, who I spoke with last week, and he has been telling me for a long time to go to his place, which is in Arunachal Pradesh, which is a state in the far east of India. So Tahan, if you are watching this video, let me tell you right now, I am definitely going to make it to your place sometime in 2021. And this is for you guys also, to know what good things are coming on this channel. On that note, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget the bell icon, the beautiful bell icon. Hey travel lovers, is your day going as well as mine? Well, I hope so. But if not, you come to the right place. Doing some photography with the fishermen. This is their living room. ये आपका बाहर का कमरा.
मुझे भी एक
bag. The lunch at Indian marriage. मजा आ रहा है भाई. So I was just telling this man that I could go by bus also, but now what a lighthouse is, we have such a good view of lighthouse. Ready to go. Bye bye Bangalore. See you at the railway station. It started to rain now. I'm waiting for the auto rickshaw. Chalo, chalo. Found the auto now. The time right now is 4:30 and my train is 8 o'clock. So I have plenty of time. I'm leaving early because it's raining outside and we don't know how the traffic situation is going to be. And in Bangalore, it's always good to keep some buffer or lot of buffer. So after I reach the station, I'll probably have about 3 hours to pass at the station, which should not be an issue because I never get bored. Google Pay कर दिया. So we are at the station now. It's little over 5 and see how dark it is. It's winter in Bangalore. Oh, it's not a very big station. I've come to this station for the first time. When I went to Ira village, that was a different railway station. That was KSR railway station. And this is KR Puram railway station. I just asked the station manager which platform the train will be coming on, and our train will be on platform number 2. So we will go and sit there for 2.5 hours. Look at how dark it is. It's only 5:30 p.m. That's platform 2. And here we go. Platform 2. Now I will probably see you inside the train. I have a lot of time to pass here. I'll probably listen to some podcast or do my Spanish lessons. In 2020, there's no way you can get bored. It's been an hour and now it's completely dark. I just saw that there is no toilet on this platform, and when you wait in this cold and rainy weather for 2.5 hours, you need to use the toilet. So I'm going there on the other platform to use the toilet, and then one stall is opened here. So after I use the toilet and come back, I'll probably have some tea. It's 6:30 now, close to 6:30. Okay, let's have some tea now. एक चाय दे दो भैया. कितने का? 10. Our train is about to come in some time. In the meanwhile, I found another person who is going to the same place, Behrampur. Okay, inside the train now. The journey of 25 hours begins now, and right here is our seat. 75. Oh, right next to the door. Good. So the toilet will be accessible easily. I will be perched here on the upper berth for the most part of my journey, because how else do you pass 25 hours in a train? And the journey begins. Let's go to the toilet now. So the train has started, so we can use the toilet. This is being used. This is also being used. So I guess we'll have to wait, or we can try there. So this is the toilet in Indian train. Not the best toilet, but that's how you have it. Sleep. You have to keep all your luggage and your shoes, all your belongings with you, because otherwise they may get stolen at night. That happens. So I'll be keeping my shoes here next to me because I don't want to lose them. And this is where I will be spending most of my time. I have this companion here. आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? कोलकाता जा रहे हो? He's going to Kolkata. Kolkata, which is in West Bengal. So this is how DC traveler is going to pass the time for the next 25 hours. Look at how this man has kept his shoes. This is a nice place to keep shoes. Let's have some snacks. I have some snacks here. Let's offer one to this man as well. आप लोगे? ले लो ले लो खा लो. Time right now is 8:40. I'll try to sleep by 10. As difficult as it is going to be to sleep at night, I'll have to get used to sleeping at night now for the next 10 days, 9 days. Because I do night shift for work, it's very difficult for me to sleep at night for the first couple of days whenever I'm traveling. I can't sleep at night, and then in the daytime I can't sleep again because I'm traveling. So the first 2 days are always screwed. I've talked about that before, but it's that time again. So I'll try to sleep by 10 and hopefully I can sleep, because I have not slept much purposely today, so that I get sleep at night, so that I am not sleepy tomorrow morning. Most likely I will be, but hopefully not. The ticket checker has come. Darshan. The ticket is checked now. अच्छा आपका सीट वहाँ पे है. This ticket checker had come, so he checked my companion's ticket, and turns out he has boarded the wrong car. So his compartment is in the other car. So I think this is goodbye to my companion, and maybe I'll be getting new companions now. We've been on this train for an hour and a half, and I just received this message: welcome to Jio, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So we have crossed the state borders. Now we are out of Karnataka and we've entered Andhra Pradesh. Hello, hello. कौन सा बिरयानी है? वेज है क्या? वेज? हाँ वेज वाला दे दो. Some new companions now who are also going till Kolkata. The time right now is 12 midnight. Hey guys, it's been more than 10 hours now. Time right now is little over 6:30. I got some sleep, but I can't say how many hours I slept because it was fragmented. And look at the scene outside. I have no idea what place this is. I'm waiting for the next station to have some tea or breakfast. आपका नाम क्या है? हाँ? आप कलकत्ता जा रहे हो ना? वहाँ रहते हो क्या? awake right now. Others are still sleeping. Look at the train. Finally the station has come. Let's look for tea. चाय पीते हैं?
चाय है ही नहीं इधर.
आपको कैसे मालूम? Let's have some tea here. Let's see if they have some breakfast also. भैया चाय है क्या? चाय नहीं है. चाय क्यों नहीं है?
किधर मिलता है चाय? आगे मिलेगा. 2 मिनट रुकता है बस.
2 ही मिनट रुकेगा ट्रेन. The train is only stopping here for 2 minutes. It's strange that in India at 8 in the morning on a big railway station you don't have tea. You might find tea here. Let's run. भैया चाय है क्या?
अरे भाई
जान दो, अभी नहीं मिलेगा. There's no tea. We'll have to see when the next station is coming now. चाय है क्या?
भैया
कितना? भैया फाइनली देयर इज टी. चाय दे दो. You may be thinking I'm such a stickler for tea, but that's not true. It's just because I'm traveling, I need some activity. This is just to avoid monotony. Not boredom, monotony. The train has started. Vijayawada is here now. Let's see if we can get some breakfast. Biryani?
हाँ बिरयानी.
Who eats biryani for breakfast?
चिकन भी अंदर वेज भी अंदर बिरयानी. इडली वड़ा बिरयानी.
इडली वड़ा कितने का है?
35.
Let's have some idli vada now. It's cold. It's not very good. मजा नहीं है. It's not worth it at all. Oh man, this train journey is too long. 27 hours in a train is exhaustive. Now we are at Visakhapatnam, which is somewhere in Andhra Pradesh. So the journey from Bangalore to Berhampur, Orissa, goes from Karnataka to Andhra Pradesh to Orissa. So from Karnataka to Andhra Pradesh, it doesn't take more than 2 hours. I think in an hour and a half we cross the border of Karnataka and reach Andhra Pradesh. But the largest stretch is Andhra Pradesh. And then we will cross in some time the border of Andhra Pradesh and enter Orissa. And where we are going, Berhampur, is in south of Orissa. It's 5:30 and I am expecting to reach by, I don't know, 9:30 or 10. We'll reach Berhampur, and in Berhampur Karthik will come to pick me up, and Gopalpur, our final destination, is 15 to 20 kilometers from Berhampur. So eventually we are going to reach Gopalpur, maybe after 10 at least. Then we'll have our dinner. Then the day will end. I'll show you their home and where I'm sleeping today. And then we'll make plans for tomorrow. You probably will not see me again before I reach Berhampur. Signing off right now. Nice to meet you all.
I'm from Bangladesh.
You are from Bangladesh? अच्छा, इसके लिए बांग्लादेश का करेंसी था? अच्छा। So you are traveling in India? Oh. मुझे लगा आप वेस्ट बंगाल से हो?
नहीं।
Oh, thank you. So these people are going to Kolkata, which will come at 7 in the morning. तो कितने घंटे का राइड हो गया फिर तो आपका?
टाइम लगेगा।
Right now it's 10. Close to 10. 9:30.
9:30.
अभी कितना हुआ? 9:30 हो गया ना? So I'm just waiting for my station, which is Berhampur. It should come in 5 minutes. Or any time now. I think my station has come now. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Now I have to meet Karthik. Am I recording?
Yeah.
I'm going to call Karthik now after I get down. Look at Berhampur. Just spoke with Karthik. He's waiting for me outside the railway station. So he asked me to come out. So you will see him momentarily. Now we are out of the station.
गाड़ी चलते समय गाड़ी से
There he is.
या गाड़ी में प्रवेश न करें. Do not leave train or entering
That's
while the
Karthik.
train is in motion.
Hello,
Welcome. It's Amit, my friend.
your friend. Okay,
Yeah.
nice to meet you guys.
So we'll drop him at the shop and we'll go.
Okay, 3-seater.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's quite cool here. I will manage, yeah. Chalo, chalo. Welcome to Odisha, Berhampur.
Yeah.
Now from here we are going to go to Gopalpur.
Gopalpur, yeah. Right.